If it's one thing you need to understand, King, every man have a right to decide his own destiny. Accountability is key, and as man, we know this. You think we can just have a set of youth around here where just feel, say, oh yeah man, and how them want the ground run? No. So they must spend one more night. And as a matter of fact, there's a big chance if you go and talk, maybe you should have spent the next night too. But King, remember this. Never you disrespect me like that again.
Savage. And that you really say, me to spend one more night. By the way, our time you have there?
20 minutes to 8.
Any minute now. Told you.
So, this are your one phone call?
This. I will talk to you. You rang?
Yeah, I wish this time go roof. Out of run. When you only have one, you make it count.
Dankeschön. No, you, Mr. About this? Well, let this tell you how this are gonna go. The only thing worse than crapping on the sidewalk is if you step in it too. I don't know how I managed to make it through the door, past the tone of ego. My top student and one of my oldest friends. I thought you understood the program. I thought you had more self-control than that. Now you, sir. Exactly what part of this is a crucial assignment you didn't understand?
We are talking about, man.
The 8-year-old daughter of the policeman I asked you to stay close to.
I told you, I'm getting to it, and I'm there.
Really? Exactly what part of it you intend to get to? The post-mortem or the funeral?
Mullins, we are talking about.
Why are you in here playing catchy shubby? They attempted to abduct the daughter of the policeman, picked up the wrong one, drop her off and go back for the real one, carried the real one to Vineyard Town where they cut her throat and threw her out of the car. The doctors had said she had a 50-50 chance. Well, that's not so anymore. In the meantime, you in here playing 1, 2, 3 red light, or 14, 15, 16. Is roulette you play? Well, we lost another one. 8 years old. Gentlemen, we can't afford to lose any more young girls or children. We need both of you. I need you over in the department checking the human trafficking ring. We're going to try and cut that off at source. And we need you to do it. We need the community to keep moving in the proper direction, and you need to keep your finger on the pulse, not after you're checking it when you think it's dead. We cannot afford to lose any more young girls. You, of all people, should understand exactly what I'm saying. How old was your daughter when she left you? If we, as men, cannot protect our women and children, what use are we? What say you? Excellent. Wunderbar.
Alles in Ordnung, mein Freund.
Gut.